The House of Representatives has formally referred 4 impeachment complaints filed against Vice President Sara Duterte to the Committee on Justice. House Deputy Speaker Paulo Ortega challenged VP Duterte to face the complaints despite her announced plan to run for president in 2028. He also expressed confidence that the committee would not be influenced and would thoroughly deliberate on the complaints. Meanwhile, one of the endorsers of the complaints, ACT Teachers Party List Representative Antonio Tino, is positive the grievances will be approved in the plenary.
I don't think may influensyahan or matatakot or may intimidate po yung komite. As long as nandyan po, nakalatag po lahat ng mga importanteng facts. Saka pag-uusapan po yan pagdedebatihan po yan, dadaan yan sa committee level. So, due diligence, saka lahat po ng kailangan na pag-uusisa, dadaan po lahat sa committee na yan.
Si Vice President Sara ang dapat matakot, no? Dahil mananagot siya sa pagwalda sa confidential funds. Yan ang demand ng taong bayan in the same way na nanagot ang kanyang tatay para sa crimes against humanity at nasa ICC siya ngayon.